Now we'll discuss about a multi-channel funnels. Multi-channel funnels are nothing but for example, you started searching for the website. Okay, you started a search in a website. For example, in Google, you have been search the website. Okay, in Google, okay, you have been search the website and you have been visited their website. Okay, after visiting a website, you haven't done any purchasing activity. You just you have been closed down. Okay, later what you have been done again, you have been click on some referral link. You have been done a purchase through the same website, but you done a purchase not directly logged in. You have been done a purchase by using a referral link. The such activities, to understand how many such activities happen in a your for your website, will be understood by using a this particular multi-channel conversion visualizer. In the sense, total there is a 61% conversion happened from the direct website only. If you consider direct and organic together, 16%. In the sense, first either they may be started with the organic search, then they have been taken a direct search and they have been converted, or they have been started with the direct search, then or through organic search they have been started converted. Okay, to understand such transactions, okay, they immediately they haven't converted. What they have been done, they visited once, again they visit again to your same website through other channel, and they purchase the goods. To understand that one, we are using this one. Okay, we can check this by using a top conversion paths. Here you can check that one. Okay, 89 of the conversion, 89 conversions happen, purchase happen. First they searched in a organic, that is nothing but a, in Google they have been searched. Later they haven't made any purchase here. Later again they have visited a website directly by typing here www.google.com. Like this they have been directly logged in, and they done a purchase. Okay, some of them directly they have been logged in and made a purchase. Two times they have been directly logged in to make a purchase. Some of them first they visited your website through referral. In the sense, someone referred and they visited, but they haven't purchased anything. Later directly they logged in and made a purchase. Some of them organic, again direct, two times they have been done. In the sense, first they have been came, once they have been visited, they didn't made any purchase, again they visited to make a purchase. Here directly three times they visited to make a purchase. Okay, here like this it will be given. Okay, the type of the conversion, how the conversions are happening. Okay, is it a single time it is happening, or these are the nothing but a cross channel. In the sense, between a different channel it will be shared, then conversions are happened. Okay, then this is a very important and interesting one to understand, that which channel is better for your conversion. Then time lag is nothing but, is they purchased on the same day or next day. Here, zero is nothing but they have been purchased on a same day. Okay, that is nothing but these many customers has been purchased on a same day. But 47 customers, they haven't purchased on a same day. They purchased on a next day. 28 customers are there. They are purchased on a second day. In the sense, today they have been visited, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow they made a purchase. Okay, like this it will be given here when they are doing a purchase. And path length, same data narrated in a different way. Path length is nothing but within a first day. In the sense, within a one day, how many conversions happen. How many conversions are happening? It will take a 2 days time. Okay, for a 3 days time. Long? In the sense, if your number of days are increasing and your conversions will be decreasing. In the sense, they will be losing an interest. right? So that it will be give you the conversion pattern. Okay, but we should focus more on a same day conversion, in the sense that today if he visited, today only he need to be purchased. Then it comes to the model comparison tool. Like between a model we can compare, in the sense the direct channel, between your uh, organic search and social search. Okay, between that channel, okay, between a channel we can compare which is a better channel. Okay, which is a better channel to promote my product. Okay, this is about how can we track the conversions, how can we track and analyze the conversions. You have to set the goal. Okay, goal setting will be shown in a next video. How to set the goal, to do these things we need to set the goal. Okay, how to set the goal will be shown in a next video.